was supposed to be a simple day, just me, a drive, and heading to my mom's house. I pulled up, everything felt normal, quiet, peaceful, too quiet. I walked around the backyard, that's when it hit me. Something wasn't right. I could feel it. At first, it was just a sound, a low hum, and it's like it's getting closer. When I turned around, that's when I saw it. I wasn't alone. Whatever it was watching me. And then it came straight for me. I didn't think, I just ran. I had to get away. Then I tripped and hit the ground. I grabbed whatever I could and turned to face it. I wasn't going down like that.